Hi, everybody. We are now on step 6 of our informational writing, writing to inform. And I think it's important that we go back and we look quickly before we start step 6, okay? Um, we're in the revise and edit part of this, so let's just make sure that we're doing this right, okay? So let's go back to page 37. We're on page 37, and on page 37 you will find your assignment. You guys remember this? Okay. This is your assignment. This is again, we're just reviewing again what our assignment actually is. Always good to do this, okay? So, let's read this together again. You are a writer for a popular technology website. You have been assigned to write an article explaining how hydroelectric plants and wind-powered turbines produce electricity. You'll be writing for people who enjoy reading about technology, but are not experts on the topic. Unlike you guys are now experts on the topic because you have studied these hydroelectric and wind generating or capturing the wind kind of power. Okay, so now you're the experts, and you guys are going to tell everyone else about the good things and the bad things. Well, just like it says in your article, you will explain how each power source works. How does it work? Tell some benefits of each power source. Tell some problems with each power source. Okay? This is your article, and we're going to shape it just like Sun Ki Yu shaped his mentor texts. All right? So now let's go back to step 6. All right, step 6, page 56. Please get there with me. On page 56, on the left-hand side of the spread here, we see it has the mentor text, what Sun Ki Yu wrote. And then it has the think aloud beside that. And again, what we're doing here is we're basically we're spying in as Sun Ki Yu writes, just to see how Sun Ki Yu writes. And Sun Ki Yu is a good writer. Did a very good job on this. So, this is the mentor text that he wrote on the left-hand side in the blue. And then we're watching Sun Ki Yu think aloud. And he's thinking about his ideas. At the top part it says, do I state my topic clearly? My article is mainly about the good and bad points of coal and nuclear power plants. But my introduction doesn't say anything about that. I'll add a sentence to the end of the paragraph to make my topic clear. And the sentence that he adds says, both types of plant provide power that keeps our country running, and both have their benefits and problems. Perfect. Okay? Not bad. Keep that in mind. And then it talks about elaboration. He's going to elaborate upon, that means he's going to give more facts and details, okay? It says right there, do I include enough facts and details and examples to support my ideas? In the second paragraph, my main idea is how coal plants work. That's his main idea, okay? He says how it works, coal. I include enough details in most of the paragraph, but I don't say what a generator does. That will leave people confused, so you really, really want to explain things. So he says, I'll replace the turbine then makes a generator work with these sentences. You ready? The turbine then spins a metal shaft in a generator. This action it makes electricity. That explains it a lot more, okay? Now, if you're talking to someone who doesn't know that much about any of this stuff, you really have to include the details, all right? Now, again, below this it says elaboration. There's another part. He's asking himself, are all my details clearly related to the topic? Are they? He says mostly. He rereads his paper again and he says mostly. But my second paragraph has a detail that doesn't belong. The detail says, or the sentence says, a river is far larger than a creek or a stream. It doesn't relate to coal plants or nuclear plants. So I'll delete it. You just don't want to have filler sentences in there. You want to stick to the topic, okay? The topic of what we have to use in our book. We don't want to go off topic, meaning we don't want to get information from other sources. All right.